Happy Vlogmas day 2. I'm so tired because our kid is deciding he is not sleeping. If you hear a lisp, it's because I have my new retainers in. But geez, I'm just ready for one full night of sleeping. We have not had it yet, so it's been like 4 months of constant get up. But it's okay. You might hear Barney in the background. He's living his best life. So today it's just me and Finley. Hannah is working. And what's crazy is Vlogmas is like the start of me returning back to work because I didn't get famous. So Vlogmas is a lot when you're not working, much less when you are working. So fingers crossed we make it more than 3 days. Life's not super exciting. I look super tired, but I just pushed a baby out of my body less than a year ago. You're gonna give me time to bounce back. Give the tricep time to like thin it out, okay? So today we are doing another Christmas thing for you, but today it's going to be drinks, because what is better than having a drink at Christmas at any time when you're not sleeping? So we're gonna do something super easy yet super cute. That way when you make it, everybody's like, oh, you're such a good bartender, when in reality it's just 3 steps. So let's do it. Also, I love to wear my wife's ER clothes. I'm not in the ER, but I have a huge fear that one day somebody's gonna be choking or shot or something, and I'm gonna be there and be like, are you a nurse or a doctor? And I'll have to be like, no, I am the janitor there, because I would not know what to do. I'd pass out. Finley, say good morning. Good morning. Say, I've eaten and not pooed. What a lovely day. I'm a little backed up. Oh, you excited? It's also funny because no one tells you the workout it is to just run in the store for like 3 things once you have a baby. I have to strap him to me, which takes more time than walking around the store. But he did so well, and he loves to look at the stuff, so I'm very thankful for an easy baby. And yes, he does watch the iPad while I'm in the car by myself. When I'm not by myself, I'm not as afraid to like let him cry it out in case something goes wrong. But he has gotten to this point where if he is upset, he will cry so hard that he stops breathing, and he don't even watch it. He literally plays with the stuff in his lap. I think he just likes the noise. Whoa. Look at my cute little nugget. And yes, he's supervised, so this is all right. And he has one arm out. We're kind of trying to prevent the rolling while sleeping until we get both arms out. But while he is napping, my poor wife, she's married to a content creator, so I have to make a video for a brand, and I'm using like the Abby Lee Miller pyramid thing. So she's gonna come home and see this. Good times, Hot Pebbles. Good times, hobby girl. Things that you could do if you were a guest or if you were hosting. So I have this tray. It's huge. It's got 8 compartments. I got it off Amazon. Sometimes Home Goods has them. All you need to make a festive cocktail is this, in any occasion. I swear it works. But anyway, we do have apple juice. We have our favorite champagne, cranberry juice, and of course, cranberries and rosemary, just to make it real pretty. So let's make these ice cubes, let them sit, and then I'm gonna show you how to make the cutest drink. If you're hosting, it's cheap and it's easy. Let's go. So all you're gonna do is take your cranberries, and you're gonna put like 10 of these in each one. It's easy to guesstimate by saying like it's halfway full. And then you're just gonna do that literally for all of them. All right, once you have that, you're gonna take your apple juice, and the apple juice is gonna actually take up half of it, which is usually opposite of what people think if I don't make a full mess. So that one may be a little too much, but it's okay. Once you have that, you're gonna come back in and put a splash of cranberry or cranberry cocktail, whatever your preference is, and get that almost filled all the way to the top. That one's way too full. So we're just gonna plop it over. That one will be a little weak. And then you're gonna take your rosemary. I like to cut my rosemary because this is way too big. We're gonna put our rosemary in it. You just stuff it in there and leave your little sprig out. Something that you can do for kids or for people who are not drinking. And then we're just gonna stick this in the freezer. All right, so now we're gonna take it, and I love how sturdy these are. Like, they're real good. And just stick her down in here. Okay, so he just woke up. So I put his little thing on, his little Einstein aquarium, unhook his arms, let him kind of debrief. He took a 45-minute nap. His first morning nap was like 2 hours, so this is okay with me. But look at how cute he is when he sees me. Hi. Hi, sweet baby. Oh, you're so cute. Hey, sweet little baby. Hi. You had a good nap? Mama missed you. Oh, stretch. Get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Hi, cute butt. I have nightmares about this song. Okay, I have dreams, not nightmares. Stop judging me. And I got to come home early, so I left the kid with her. And I got this little printer. I've been seeing it everywhere on the internet, but it prints 4x6s. We have the one that does Polaroids and stuff, so I'm gonna use it because we are making Finley's scrapbook. And let me just tell you that I have a lot of it pinned off because, like, this doesn't need to be a Polaroid picture on his big part. Well, but yeah, we have like a good bit pin. We did do like the ultrasound and stuff like that. We're just a little behind. And with me starting work, I'm nervous that I'm not gonna do any of these because if I was gonna do it, I would have done it before. Yeah. So let's make some pictures. So we're gonna actually listen to the directions versus thinking we can just do it ourselves. Oh. Okay, so for by the bed, I want this black and white one. And just like that, I have a 4x6. Crazy. Anywho, check back in a minute. And there she goes. It's actually a pretty good quality. Okay, so just so you can see what I used that picture for, Hannah wrote me a note before I went and gave birth, and then I have a little picture of all of us right there. I actually really love our end tables and how we decorated them. I mean me. But one of our friends got us these for our wedding. I have my jewelry box and then everyday girl things. Let me show you Hannah's. Okay, so Hannah has a little bit more going on over here, but this is a verse from our wedding song, and then she has me and Finley, our dogs, and then of course like our Hatch and Owlette, and then her little medicine things because I don't like them falling behind the edge, and I don't want them just like laying out there. But yeah, that's our nightstands. Okay, so they've been marinating or freezing for a good 5 hours. Cute, cutesy. So I'm just gonna take a glass. It's so cute. Don't hit me in the head. Jeez Louise, gonna wake up our kid. And there you go. Cute, festive, holiday drink. So that's the end of Vlogmas day 2. Thanks for spending time with us. Don't forget, we're gonna be doing something Christmas related all month. And guess who got to come home a little bit early? She's doing her schoolwork so that I can quit working.